Picture yourself in the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this gutsy Hyundai Santa Cruz, the stylish adventure utility vehicle that pairs composed comfort with high-tech capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Don't skimp on comfort to get the utility you need. Get the best of both worlds in this impressive Santa Cruz. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.